Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Each day this week, I'm posing the same question. What can I do today to get closer to God? And so on Monday, I talked about how we can share God's gift of gratitude. Yesterday, I talked about God's gift of forgiveness. So today, let me pose this question. Who is that person in our family, in our neighborhood, in our parish, whom we have noticed is exceptionally good at doing something? This person is smart. This person has a great sense of humor. They're very courteous. They're very helpful. They know how to bring people together. They're good organizers. They're good leaders. Whatever it might be, my suggestion to get closer to God today is to go to that person and say to them, you know what? You are really good at whatever that might be. You are really smart. Do you know that? You are really a courteous person. You are really a friendly person. You are someone who really knows how to lead others. When we do that, we are sharing God's gift of Himself with each other. When we point out the godliness in someone else, we are sharing that godliness with others, just as they share that godliness with those around them. And so that's my suggestion for today, that we think about that person in our life who does something exceptionally well, and we just simply point it out to them. Have a wonderful day today.